Hi, I'm Rosie Black.
And I'm Asha Newbold, and we are property partners for CR Real Estate.
Today we're in Halfway on Ashley Close at this wonderfully versatile 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow.
This property has been loved and cherished by the current vendors, so let's go inside and take a look around. Inside the bungalow, it offers a real sense of comfort. Now, there are 2 reception rooms. This room is currently being used as the sitting room and offers dual aspect windows as well as access onto the garden. So the dining room also offers French doors overlooking the mature rear garden. The bungalow offers versatility. Both of the reception rooms could be chopped and changed, and if you wanted to use the dining room as a lounge overlooking the garden with the French doors, it would make a perfect space for that. Both of the bedrooms are located at the front of the bungalow and offer a calm, peaceful ambience. The shower room has an electric shower and a white bathroom suite, offering a sense of clean, fresh and modern living. The rear garden has a small patio area, a summer house, greenhouse and flower and shrub borders with an array of trees offering additional privacy.
There is a garage for storage at the bottom of the driveway as well as side access. Situated halfway between Minster and Sheerness, the Neats Court shopping complex is within easy access and Queenborough train station is only 1 mile away. The property is within a 10-minute drive of Minster Seafront and Barton's Point Coastal Park in one direction and within 5 minutes to Queenborough Harbour in the other. Queenborough Harbour offers an array of pubs and restaurants. You can even go on a boat trip to see the seals if you please. That concludes our tour of Ashley Close.
We hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have, and if you'd like to book a viewing, give us a call on the number below.